When you are tired about so many things, stress from work, so much toxicity, and sometimes you can even burn from life. Well, let's find time for a quick getaway. Come join us as we visit the MANLANGIT Nature Park one Saturday. It's really been a long time that we've been restricted to travel. Kaya kahit dyan lang muna sa malapit. Kids and my senior citizen mother haven't been allowed to travel for a long time. And nakakaawa na din. If they still can get inside the mall, then we'll just go to a nature park. It is a new travel destination in Caraga region, a 10 to 15 minutes drive from the national highway. Malapit lang naman ang area but we haven't had time before to really travel because of pandemic. Slowly, we're trying to get back our lives by going places. But we really have to be careful and continue to practice the health protocols. Well, hooray for Shanda and me because it's our birth month and we are absolutely free. The place really provides your mind and body the stress relief, even for a little time. The trees and mountains within and surrounding the place will revive your soul and reminds you how beautiful life is. Magpa-picture. Sino may magpa-picture? Si Erin? Nanay, tiwas. Wow.
Apiki dito. Dol mix. try, Erin.
You try? Aaron, try. You want?
Try.
Okay.
Sige. Luwangin pa. Sige pa siyan. Sige pa.
Ipatong ba yan? Oh, my turn.
My turn. Your turn.
Ipatong.
Ganit. Ganit. Sige.
Try earring.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye-bye!
Kabayo ko gulingon. Dahil lang to akong kabayo kay kamoto mo pero tupak ko. Tuna ka mama. Bugat nimo.
Horse. Bye-bye sa horse. Bye-bye. Horse. Bye-bye horse.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye horse.
A much needed break. And now we're heading home again. Well, we have to plan for our next destination. It may just be a short break, but we need it to keep our sanity. Keep safe, everyone. God bless. Bye.